Broil meat. Broiling is also known as grilling. In this type of cooking method, the meat is cooked very near to the source of the heat. The source of the heat is very high, so it takes only a few minutes to get the meat cooked. Broiling is used for cooking different meats, such as steaks, fish, ham, etc. It is really easy to broil meat. Here are the steps on how you can broil meat when you have a backyard barbecue at your home. Materials. There are some things that you will be needing when broiling meat. These are your broiler, your choice of meat, baking pans, broiler pans, cooking thermometer, aluminum foil, roasting racks, a thong, salt and pepper and some spices. You will also need cooking mitts so that your hands can have protection from the heat from the broiler. Preparation. The first thing that you have to do is to prepare your broiler. Turn it on and wait for it to get hot. This will take about 5 minutes. It is important to preheat your broiler so as you need it to be really hot so that you can cook your meat properly. While waiting for the broiler to heat up, you can already prepare the meat that you are going to cook. Season your meat generously with salt, pepper, and other spices that you want. Get your broiler pan and line it with aluminum foil. Afterwards, place your meat on the pan. Cooking the meat. When the broiler is ready, you can put the pan inside it. It is important that you cut your meat equally so that they will cook more or less at the same time. The thinner your cut for the meat is, the faster it will cook. Place the broiler pan a few inches away from the source of heat. You will have to wait a few minutes for the meat to be completely cooked, but do not leave your broiler. You have to constantly check if the outside part of the meat is already starting to brown. After cooking one side, flip the meat to the other side to cook it. You can see if the meat is already cooked by using the thermometer. For meat, check by poking to see if it is already firm. For fish meat, carefully try to separate it using a fork. If the fish flakes, it is already done. Reminders. Remember to wear mitts, cooking mitts when cooking with the broiler, but be careful that the mitt does not catch fire in the broiler. In some cases, the oil from the meat can reach the heat source and this can spark a fire. You can extinguish the fire by closing the lid of the broiler. These are the steps on how you can broil your meats easily. You can broil your food for barbecue parties, or if you want to have a special meal but you do not have much time to prepare. By using the broiler, you will easily have a tasty meal in less than 30 minutes.